All right, welcome back to the Squeeze Zone. This is episode 4, week 4. This is going to be for January 18th. We got a wild week. This is going to be an excellent week to really test to see how well I can predict earnings. We got Netflix, we got Halliburton, we got Procter and Gamble, we got a bunch of really hot stocks. And I got some bad news for you. Unfortunately, based on what I'm seeing so far, it looks like it's going to be a pretty red week. Without any other delays, let's get into it. Starting off, we got Bank of America. Bank of America, I have a drop. Currently, we're sitting at 33.01, and I have it going down all the way to 31.83. Goldman Sachs also, I got some bad news on this one as well. Currently, we got another drop. We're currently sitting at 301, and I have it going all the way down to 291. So not great for that as well. Looks like we have a pretty red week ahead of us, at least to start. Next up, I got Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab, another drop. I got 58.75 down to 56.43. We got Halliburton. Halliburton currently sitting at $20.74. I see a drop in the 1982. Netflix, I got a big drop on this one. Netflix, we currently sitting at $497.98. I see it going down all the way to $435. So watch out for that one. Next up, we got Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers, also another drop. See, it's at 69.02 right now. I see it going down to 66.87. Next up, we got Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble. This is another drop. We're currently sitting at 134.78, so you're going down to 131. Next up, we got United Health Group. United Health Group is another drop. Have it going from 351.30 down to 343.88. Let's see. Next up, we got United Airlines. United Airlines, another drop. This is a small one, though. 43.89 down to 42. So not horrible for that one. Let's see. Next up, we got Discover Financial. Discover Financial is the first for this week that I see it pumping. So you're going from 97.76 up to 99.70. Next up, we got Fuel Cell. This has been a very popular stock recently. If you haven't been following, definitely add this to your watch list. I have this this one I'm a little mixed on, but I'm going with a pump. I have it going from $15.84 to $18. Next up, we got Citrix. Citrix, we have another pump on this one. I have it going from 132 to 139. This one I'm feeling really good about. Next up, we got Travelers. Travelers, another pump. So you're going from 134.24 up to 146. Lastly, we got Intel. We got not last, but we got Intel. This is a drop. Have it going from 57.48 down to 53. We got IBM. IBM. This is going to be a pump. We're going to 128.38.9 all the way up to 132.63. We got Ally Financial. Ally Financial is going to be a dump. Have it going from 40.88 down to 39. And lastly, we got Regions. Regions currently sitting at $18.23. I see it dropping down to 17. So that's those are my predictions for the week. Don't buy or sell purely on what you hear. Do your own research before you decide to invest. Looks like it's going to be a pretty red week. We got a lot of big catalysts this week, especially with the inauguration. Ideally, that goes smoothly, so we probably get a better rally. But with all the more lockdowns coming all over the place, I'm sure the red week is expected. So, anyways, thanks for stopping by the Squeeze Zone. We'll see you next week for the recap and week 5.